If opening a can makes your wrist complain before dinner even starts, yeah, we need to fix that. I tested 6 popular openers with real-life cans, slippery hands, and that one stubborn lid that always tries to win, and so you can buy once and move on. And stick around because the #1 pick surprised me, not because it's fancy, but because it removes the 2 biggest pain points, grip and effort. Number 6, OXO Good Grips Soft-Handled Manual Can Opener. The first time I picked up the OXO Soft-Handled, I thought, okay, this is friendly. The handles are big and cushioned, and for hands that don't love squeezing hard, that part is genuinely comforting. The oversized knob is also easy to grab, and when your fingers are stiff, that more to hold on to feeling matters more than people think. In use, it does what a classic can opener does. You clamp it on, twist, and it bites. The cutting wheel is stainless steel and it's sharp enough to get through standard soup cans without you doing that awkward pierce, slip, pierce again dance. Also, small bonus, it has a built-in bottle opener, so it's not a one-trick pony. But here's the thing. This is still a traditional style opener, which means you're still relying on that clamp pressure plus wrist rotation. If you've got arthritis flare-ups, you may have days where the first half of the can feels fine and the last quarter feels like your hand is negotiating for overtime pay. And I also noticed it's the kind of tool you have to keep clean and dry because once gunk builds up, the smoothness drops and you start pushing harder than you should. It's labeled hand wash only, and if you ignore that and treat it like a dishwasher tool, you're kind of rolling the dice long term. Number 5, Gorilla Grip Heavy Duty Manual Can Opener. This Gorilla Grip one comes in with big promises: stainless steel cutting wheel, oversized turn knob, and those soft touch, slip-resistant handles. When I first tried it, I immediately liked the handle size. Big handles spread pressure out across your palm, which is exactly what you want if your grip strength is limited. The wheel bites fast, like it punctures confidently, and I didn't have to baby it on thicker cans. It also feels stable once it locks onto the rim, and that helps with confidence because the worst feeling is when the opener wobbles and you think, great, now I'm going to spill beans and also possibly cut myself. Now the be a little critical part because, well, it's not magic. Even with the oversized knob, you're still doing a repetitive twist motion the whole way around the can. If your wrist gets irritated by rotational movement, this can still trigger that, okay, I'm done feeling halfway through. Also, the whole extra smooth cut claim depends on how steadily you keep it latched. On a couple odd-shaped cans, I had to reclamp and restart, and that's exactly the moment older hands don't need, because repositioning takes more finger strength than the actual turning. So yeah, it's strong, it's grippy, it's a step up from flimsy openers, and the big knob helps, but it's still a manual twist tool, and for many seniors, the best can opener is the one that reduces twisting, not just the one that makes twisting slightly nicer. 4. Otstar Jar Opener Bottle Opener. Okay, quick curveball. This isn't a classic can opener for sealed metal cans. It's a multi-opener for jars, bottle caps, and ring pull cans. And honestly, for a lot of elderly folks, jars are the real villain, not cans. What I liked right away is leverage. It's got a long handle, rubber lining, and multiple grip sizes for different lids, which means you're not relying on pure hand strength. You slot the lid into the right opening, get traction, and twist with your whole arm instead of your fingertips. That's a huge deal when your hands are sensitive. It also has a little hook designed to break that vacuum seal on bigger lids, and if you've ever watched someone struggle with a pasta sauce jar for 5 minutes, you know that pop moment is basically victory. It even includes a hook to help lift ring pull tabs, which is sneaky helpful for anyone with nails that break easily or fingers that don't pinch well. Now, using it felt simple, but it does take a couple tries to find the right slot for the lid size without thinking. Once you get it, it's great. It's also light and slim enough to toss in a drawer without sacrificing space. So if you're shopping for an elderly parent, this is the sidekick tool I'd add even if you buy a true can opener. Because dinner isn't just cans, it's jars, pull tabs, water bottles, all the annoying little twists that add up. Number 3, KitchenAid Classic Multifunction Can Opener. This KitchenAid is the kind of opener that feels like a reliable kitchen basic. It has an easy-to-turn knob, an integrated bottle opener, and oversized ergonomic handles. And yes, you can feel the difference immediately compared to bargain openers because the handles don't dig into your hand. When I tested it, it pierced quickly and moved around the rim smoothly. The cutting wheel is described as sharp stainless steel, and it behaves that way, meaning you're not fighting for the first puncture. That first puncture is where a lot of seniors lose the battle, so if a tool does that part easily, it earns points. The knob size is also a big win here. You can grip it with more of your fingers, not just a pinchy 2-finger twist, and that reduces strain. I found it especially nice for mid-size cans where you want steady motion without the opener walking around. It's also a 2-in-1 tool because of the bottle opener, which is small but convenient. I like multi-tools when they're not gimmicky, and this one isn't trying to be 10 things, it's just doing the basics well. If there's a watch out, it's that this is still manual turning, so you're not removing effort entirely. But compared to number 6 and number 5, the overall comfort and control felt more consistent, like I wasn't constantly adjusting my grip. 2. Bellemain Stainless Steel Can Opener. Now we get into the style that I think makes the biggest safety difference for seniors: smooth edge cutting. Bellemain describes a safe cut design that avoids leaving sharp edges, and the opener lifts the lid rather than creating that razor rim that loves to bite you later. That alone is a huge quality of life upgrade, especially if eyesight isn't perfect or you're cooking in a hurry. Using it feels different from traditional openers. You position it on the top, turn, and instead of slicing downward through metal like a saw, it cuts laterally and leaves a smoother edge. The first time I removed a lid and didn't feel that dangerous sharpness, I was like, wait, why isn't every opener like this? Comfort-wise, it's built around easier grip and the turning action felt steady. It's designed to be ergonomic, and for weaker hands, that steady and predictable movement matters. I didn't have to clamp down as aggressively as some classic openers, which reduce that palm pressure feeling. Another underrated thing: cleaner contact with food. Because of the way it lifts the lid, it's meant to keep the mechanism from scraping into the food area as much as some traditional designs. If you've ever had an opener slip and drag across the top and you're like, cool, metal dust vibes, this is the opposite of that. The only reason this isn't number 1 for everyone is preference and learning curve. Spring Chef Stainless Steel Can Opener. All right, my top pick. The Spring Chef checks the boxes that matter most for elderly users: soft grip handles, a big knob, and a built-in magnet so you can lift the lid without pinching it with your fingers. That magnet feature sounds small until you watch someone with arthritis try to grab a slippery lid edge. Then it's like, oh yeah, that's the whole problem. In my testing, the big knob was the star. It turns smoothly, and because it's larger, you can use more of your hand and less finger strain. The cutting wheel pierces cleanly and keeps moving without that jerky start-start feeling that makes people quit mid-can. The magnet is what makes it feel senior-friendly in a practical way. When you finish the cut, the lid can come off without you digging your nails under it or doing that risky wiggle and pray move. That's safety and comfort in one motion, and I love that. It also includes a built-in bottle opener, and the handles are designed to be oversized and cushioned for control. And control is the word here. When hands are shaky or weaker, a tool that stays stable makes the whole process less stressful. This one felt like it was designed for real kitchens and real hands, not just to look good in a product photo. If you're buying for an elderly parent or for yourself and your hands just aren't into fighting cans anymore, this is the one I'd start with. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.